Hello, this is my second box of Topps Allen and Ginter Baseball. The first box I got a John Higbee auto, and Carlos Beltran relic, and Grady Sizemore relic, so it wasn't too bad. And this is box number 2. First will be the Jumbo box loader. Historical events, Jumbo card. South Concedies War. And now onto the packs. First pack. Alfonso Soriano, Justin Verlander, Brigham Young, Albert Pujols, highlight sketch of this card. I got this one in my last box too. Johnny Cueto was mini, add back, and Stephen Drew, National Pride. Second pack. Brian Duensing rookie card for the Twins. That's not bad. A Rick Porcello mini rookie short print. I think that's worth a decent amount. And Daisuke National Pride insert. Next pack. Supposed to get 3 hits in the box. Haven't gotten any yet, but still a lot of packs left. Trevor Cahill, rookie card. A black Hideki Matsui mini card. And Yuneski Betancourt, National Pride. Next pack. It's kind of a big box, so I'll probably do a 2-part video on this. So tune in to the second part if I don't get anything good in this one. Louis Burrell, regular card. Tim Hudson mini. And Miguel Cabrera, National Pride. Next pack. Got a mini world leader from Armenia. I have no idea how to pronounce the guy's name. And Albert Pujols, National Pride. Next pack. Geronimo Bazooka mini. Numbered 17 of 25. So that's a good card. I don't know if that counts as a hit or not, but Jurgens is the National Pride. Andrew Bailey rookie card. Jacoby Ellsbury mini. And Derek Jeter National Pride. Next pack. Ricky Romero rookie card. David Patton rookie card. Torrey Hunter cracked the code. Carlos Beltran mini. Jose Lopez National Pride. Next pack. A-Rod highlight sketches. Old Faithful mini. Edgar Renteria National Pride. Next pack. Oh, got another hit in this box, or this pack. Jordan Zimmerman rookie card. Brett Anderson rookie card. And Mike Cameron back card. DB Cooper Hooks mini. Victor Martinez National Pride. Do one more pack and then probably do the next part, half of the box on the next video. Got another hit in this pack. Not too shabby. BJ Upton jersey card for the Tampa Bay Rays. Brett Anderson, Alan Ginter rookie card. And Max Scherzer National Pride. So tune in to the next box to see what else I get, and hope to see you soon.